Samsung just shock everyone. Yes, we have some confirmation specs related to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to Sperandio for Tech, tweet 3 times zoom camera is being dropped from the S25 Ultra, and it's not even going to be replaced, meaning that the S25 Ultra is only going to come with 3 cameras, because I don't see this leaker before, and he don't have so much following. So right now we can't trust him. And according to Ice Universe, S25 Ultra come with 4 cameras. Setup, and according to him, Samsung doesn't remove the 3x lens from the S25 Ultra, but maybe we see some improvements. Now let's talk about the performance of the phone. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and S25 and S25 Plus come with Exons. And according to leaks in some regions, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to bring with it more improvements than usual. And it's going to be a 3-nanometer chipset running higher clock speeds. Now, according to Digital Chat Station, the GPU performance of the S25 Ultra is so much powerful, and it can smoothly run Impact flawlessly at 1080p, and its game, which demanding high graphics, and mostly phones running this game at 720p. Now let's talk about battery. Samsung decided to use the same battery in the S25, which he used in the S24 Ultra, but Samsung enhanced the battery performance with the help of AI and with the help of Samsung improved the battery life by 5 to 10%. Lastly, according to source Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra full screen display with no punch-out camera for the selfies. And according to leaks, Samsung improved the under-panel cameras, which means that Samsung is very likely to use it in the S25 Ultra, but they also advise that it's not perfect either. Now, apparently, there are prototypes being tested with the under-panel selfie camera. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.